like to take a moment to quickly explain what the icons next to your folders mean. So as you can see, the cloud here means the file is only available on the cloud storage, so that's going to be OneDrive, but you can access it. But to access the file, you're going to need internet connection, so you're going to be downloading the file to your computer and then you can edit. So that's what this means. Underneath we have this green circle with a check mark. It means the file is temporarily stored on your computer, so it has already been downloaded and you can edit the file. But once you turn off your computer, the file will go back to the cloud and removed from your computer. And next time you're gonna have to download it again to edit. The green mark here, the full green, it means the file is always available on your computer. You do not need internet connection, and the file is syncing. So as you are working on your file, the file is gonna be syncing, and it's always gonna be on your computer, even if you're offline. This icon here just tells you that the file is currently in syncing process. The circle with an X is what you don't want. That's an error of sync, and you don't want that. Something has gone wrong. Now you want to just confirm the syncing is happening. So over here by the clock, if you just hover the mouse over, you're going to see it syncing. And you click, you're going to see the files there syncing. So let's open the folder and just check the status. All this is syncing. Some of the folders have been downloaded, but this one, as you can see, is available only online, as well as the subfolders inside it. So let's try to make a folder constantly always available on our computer. So if I right click on it and go to always keep on this device, it's gonna start to download. And as you can see here, there is a lot of things downloading in the moment, so it's not going to be green straight on, but you can assure yourself that in the future the files will always be on this machine.